Hey guys, I'm here in front of my ginger bed. I posted a ginger video and people seem to like it, but I got a lot of questions about how to grow the ginger, how to plant the ginger, how to select the ginger. So I made a video about a year ago on how to do this, and I'm gonna put this video on here, and I'm gonna attach it to my other video so you can see the whole process from beginning to end. We're gonna start in the supermarket and how you select your ginger, all right? So sit back and watch this. I just wanna show you guys the ginger that I pick out to grow. So I'm looking for ginger that's starting to sprout a little bit like this. I'm also looking for pieces that are a little bit thinner so I can break up. I don't want to get too many really large pieces because I want to be able to get multiple buds out of each one. So let's see. So a piece like this, a piece like this. We've got this piece kind of growing, so I'll probably use this. And each of these pieces are going to break up into several little chunks. Okay, and I'll show you guys how we plant that. So, got my raised bed here. I'm gonna show you guys how I plant my ginger. So I basically wanna break my ginger up into pieces. And all I wanna do is make sure that I have a reasonably sized piece. That wouldn't break any further than that. But I want each piece to have a bit of a node on it there. You know, you see the little sort of outgrowths of it. It doesn't have to be fancy, you don't have to be cute with it. All we're doing is just sticking that in the ground. And we just wanna fill this bed with ginger. And probably, usually around May is when ginger starts to come up. But it's super simple. Like a piece like this, I'm gonna break that into two pieces right there. I'm gonna break this here, break that there, and break that again. Break it there, there, there. Just one piece of ginger is gonna provide probably 8 or 9 ginger plants. All right, and all we're gonna do is bury it in the ground, and in May, it's gonna pop up. At the end of the year, the leaves are gonna start to die back, and that's when we know it's time to harvest our ginger. Look at the size of this ginger. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at this. This thing is massive. Well, I don't think I need to harvest any more ginger today. The rest of it we're gonna leave in the ground.